So, this is Brotan Knives here. Just doing a little, I don't know, to show people I bought this bag. It's made by Voodoo. Voodoo Tactical. It's a pretty amazing bag. It's kind of my everydayer. I changed the zippers on it. A couple of bracelets I made, I just put them there or whatever. It's got tons of pockets in it. Bladder pack. Put that in there. Nice heavy zippers. Oh, I put a little Canada thing on there. But I don't know, that's the bag. It's pretty awesome. Get a chance, little EDC bag. Heavy strips.